Time for fun fact, guys. Do you know that in Mexico there's a very famous festival called Dia de los Muertos, or Day of the Dead? Now, it's very important to understand that this tradition has actually come from Aztecas and Mayans, and people on this day they visit cemeteries of their beloved ones and family members. And when they go there, they actually feed food, water, any kind of drinks in the loving memory of their missing ones or the dead ones. And they also drink, and sometimes they even drink to the peace of the soul of these dead people, and they even enjoy to some extent. So that's the kind of homage they pay to their loved ones. I hope another fun fact, and if you go to Mexico, do look for El Dia de los Muertos. Stay tuned. Hello, my beautiful students. How are you? Welcome to the class. Today, we're going to take a look at irregular verbs with a specific stem change of E to I. Now, folks, we've already seen what an irregular verb is. Well, it's a verb which gets modified or conjugated without any standard approach. So it has some exceptions or deviations from the way a regular verb gets conjugated, right? So let us take a look. The entire class is divided into two parts. The first one is here and the second one is here. And the first one is just an example to show you how a regular verb gets conjugated. And then we move on to this specific case of E to I change in the stem, right? So let us take a look, folks. The example verb which is regular is vivir here, which means to live. So the way it gets modified is the stem remains as it is, as you can see in yellow, and the black part is what changes. So wherever you find any regular verb with ending with IR, this is the way it gets modified, right? So this is our favorite table: first person, second person, third person, singular, plural. Vivo, vives, vive, vivimos, vivis, viven. This is how it gets modified, which literally means I live, you live, he or she lives, we live, you guys live, they live. Now let us take a look at a specific case of E to I. So the example verb that we're going to have today is pedir, which means to ask. It has an E here, and see how it gets changes to I. So instead of pedo, it should have become pedo, right? Because IR has to be replaced by O, and the stem remains as it is. So it should have been ped plus O, pedo, had it been a regular verb. But no, folks, this is an irregular verb. So that's why this E, it changes to I here, right? So it becomes pido, pides, pide, pedimos, pedis, piden. Yes, of course, you observed it perfectly fine that these two cases do not have that change of E to I. They remain as it is. And we've already seen in other two cases as well. This is how the language is. We have to respect it, that whenever you see a stem change in an irregular verb, only these four cases undergo this change. All the cases of singular and third person plural, these two cases remain as it is. That's how the language is, and we have to respect it. Alright, folks, I hope you learned and enjoyed this beautiful concept, and now it will help you understand more irregular verbs, the way they get conjugated in a specific case of E to I stem change. Now, folks, let's take a look at the list of irregular verbs which get conjugated with a similar stem change of E to I. So the first one is bendecir, means to bless. Colegir is to collect. Medir, to measure. Decir, to say. Competir, to complete. Pedir, to ask. Reír, to laugh. Repetir, to repeat. Maldecir, to curse. Conseguir, to obtain. Despedir, to dismiss. Seguir, to follow. Corregir is to correct. Elegir, to elect. Servir, to serve. And in the end, sonreír, to smile. Alright, folks, till next class, take care, goodbye, chao chao. Bueno, estudiantes, espero que han estudiado algo muy importante y que así que están estudiando español conmigo y van a subir su nivel de español muy pronto. Hablamos muy pronto. Hasta la próxima. Chao, chao.